Hi, Dr. Sas here. Welcome back. Today episode, we're going to talk about how can you keep your New Year resolution. It's pretty simple. In the past episode, we talked about the 3 steps that you must take to make your New Year resolution, right? Make sure you know who you really are, find your true identity. Second, find your mission. And third, make a clear vision. And then you expand that vision to be the life that you want to live. And then in this episode, how can you keep that? You pretty much break your expanded vision down into actionable steps. And then you put that in your schedule. And the only thing you have to do to make your New Year resolution is, the one thing you would make for your New Year resolution is follow your schedule. For example, if you say, I am healthy and at 120 pounds, I have great muscle, I feel happy, fulfilled, and healthy, right? And we know that this is our 3-year plan. So what can we do in this year to make that come true? You can write 5 The one thing that you can do is create a habit in the morning to literally follow your schedule, put that in the schedule and said, read my vision. And that's what I do. I read my life vision every day for years now. And many things had come true because I held that vision in my mind all the time. And when you schedule yourself to eat vegetables or to take your vitamins and stuff, it is more meaningful because you will read that I feel healthy. Oh, that is why I'm taking my vitamins. That is why I'm eating my vegetable. That is why I'm taking a 30-minute walk. And that is very powerful. powerful. A lot of people have vision board, for example. And if you want to go that route, that's a completely different topic for another video. But for now, to keep your New Year resolution, you must, well, most of the time, every day, every day, follow your schedule. Even if you follow 80% of it, you will realize that you reach most of your goals. And it's not just a list, it's you following your dream, and it makes perfect sense. Read your vision every single day. And when you read your vision, you are more prone to follow your schedule. Your schedule makes sense because your vision said, this is what you want in 3 years, in 10 years, in 5 years. And oh yeah, that little step makes sense. This taking